स्टूडेंट, स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे। तो बच्चों, आज हम देखने वाले हैं चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट डिजिटल डॉक्यूमेंटेशन का सेशन नंबर 1 वर्किंग विद स्टाइल। इसमें हम देखने वाले हैं क्रिएटिंग न्यू स्टाइल। वर्किंग विद स्टाइल का ऑलरेडी हाउ टू अप्लाई अ प्री डिफाइंड स्टाइल, ये टॉपिक हमने लास्ट वीडियो में कवर कर लिया है। उस वीडियो की लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दी है। तो इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू सी हाउ टू क्रिएट अ न्यू स्टाइल। जब हमें प्री डिफाइंड स्टाइल अच्छी नहीं लगती, so in that case we can create our own style, custom style. So in OpenOffice Writer we can create a new style by using this three ways: updating style using style and formatting dialog box, updating style using drag and drop approach, and updating style using selection. So let's start with the first way, that is updating style using style and formatting dialog box. So for that we need one existing document or any blank document where we can create new document. So I have already created one document, and here I have written sample text. Here we will make one new style and will apply that new style to this sample text. So are you ready for style and formatting dialog box? Okay. So this is our plan. This is one document where I have written sample text. Now we have to click on format tab, where you will get style and formatting dialog box option. So you can search here and you will get your style and formatting dialog box. So this option is very important for every way. So click on that, you will get the style and formatting dialog box. This dialog box is very important for updating style in by using any way. Okay, so this is a style and formatting dialog box, and these are the different types. These are the different categories of style. This is paragraph style. If we click here, this is character style. You will get all the style which are the character style. This is frame style, this is page style, and this is list style. There are total 5 types, or we can say category of style. So these are the different categorization. So if you want to create a new style, then right click on any style. You will get one context menu. Here you will get two options, that is new and modify. If you want to create a new one, so click on new, and this dialog box will open paragraph style. Why? Because you can see in previous style and formatting dialog box we have selected paragraph style, and from this paragraph style we are creating a new style. In which category? Paragraph category. That's why this name is paragraph style. So these are the different tabs, like background, borders, font effect, font, text flow, alignment, position, condition. Many things are there. By using this tabs, we can set the attributes for that style. So here we need to enter a name for a style. I'm using a my style, and it should be auto update so that we can save any new changes in that. And the next one is link with. So my opinion is that always use none for link with, and category always use custom style. Now we need to set the attributes. So for that we'll use the background. For the complete paragraph we'll use this is that background is for paragraph. Always remind this thing. The border for paragraph. Okay, we can change the color of that border. We can change the font effect. We can change the font color. Font effect. Then if you want shadow, blinking, these things we can do. Means many things we can do by using these things. Then click on OK. The name was, our style was my style. Now search here. If you are not getting your style in this list, so you have to click on this arrow and click all style, then you will get my style. See. And if I want to apply it, then select any word from that paragraph and double click. You can see we have successfully created new style by using style and formatting dialog box, and we have applied that style here. Okay, so we will make it highlight because we have seen updating style using style and formatting dialog. Now the next way is updating style using drag and drop approach. इस वे में हमें क्या करना है, हमें पहले ही अपने डॉक्यूमेंट में जो रिक्वायर्ड सेटिंग चाहिए वो हम कर लेंगे, और उसके बाद वी विल असाइन दैट setting or that attribute as a style in our document. So this is a document where I have written sample text. Now we will edit it as per our choice. We'll apply some attribute, formatting attribute here. We'll select the text, then font color will change, highlight it, then bold, italic, underline, all things we will do. Then we'll change the, I think this is sufficient. These things we need in our next style. So now we want to make this design as a style in drag and drop approach. So for that we need to click on format tab, then style and formatting. So we got a dialog box that is style and formatting. So now what we need to do, select the text on which basis you want to create your new style, and now drag this text in desired category of style. We are working in paragraph category, so this dialog box will open. Create style dialog box appears. So here we need to give name for our new style. So we will give here my style new or my style 1. Click on OK. So we got my style 1. Okay. Now we will make it simple. Now this is default formatting, and if I written here sample text, but I want to apply that my style 1 style here on this sample text. So what I'll do, I select, then I search that my style 1 we are getting here. You can see, so we have successfully created a new style by using drag and drop feature, and we have applied it. So now we will highlight it. Okay, the next one is updating style using selection. So the same thing is there in updating style using drag and drop approach and using the selection. First, we need to create a document as per our requirement, as per our choice. We need to set attributes there. See, make it clear formatting. Now we can write in general form. Okay, again we'll use the sample text. Okay, now we'll see how to apply a new style by using a selection. So this is a sample text, and now we will apply some new attributes as like we have created the same thing for using drag and drop approach. So this is highlight, this is font color, then bold, italic, or any new font name. Okay, we can set many more attribute also. Okay, now we want to create this setting as a new style. For that, the same thing, style and formatting dialog box. We have opened the style and formatting dialog box, and this is the option. This is one icon for new style from selection, and this is one drop down arrow. We need to click there. You will get this option. On context menu you will get, from that the very first option is new style from selection. Click on that. You will get the same dialog box again for entering new name for our style. So now we'll write my style 2, because we have used my style also and my style 1 also. So I'm using now my style 2. Then click on OK. Now we'll search, is it there or not in my style list. Okay, so this is my style list is also there. Now we'll clear formatting is there. We'll close the dialog box, and now I'm writing sample text. Clear formatting. Now sample text. Now I want to apply that style on this text. I have selected the sample text, and now my style second. So you can see my style second is successfully applied. Means here we have successfully created new style by using updating style and using the selection, and then we have successfully applied it. तो ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा ये कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइए, और लाइक शेयर करना ना भूलिए। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, एंजॉय।